What's going on, guys? It's your boy Ninja, and today, guys, what we're doing is making some mac and cheese. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some mac and cheese because for some reason, me making food or eating food actually gets like 100 views on the videos. Like last summer, I ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, made one. I made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and it got like 110 views. So guess what? I ate a banana, 110 views. Guess what, guys? We're making some mac and cheese today. So I got the water boiling right now. Let me show you guys that. We got the, oh my God, I almost dropped my phone. We got the water boiling about 2/3 of the way. You want to fill up a pan, or not a pan, a pot, whatever the hell this is called, with water. Fill it up with water. It doesn't matter how or cold. You actually, so this is a special ingredient right here. What you want to do is actually put some salt in there, like good amount of salt, before that boils. So you're gonna wait till that's bubbling and boiling, okay? That's why I gotta go in early for you guys, so I can actually get the ingredients and stuff. So now, we're gonna get the ingredients. You're gonna wanna get your Kraft mac and cheese right here. 1 box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. Look at that, guys, mac and cheese. We're gonna put these away. Next, you're obviously gonna wanna get a wooden spoon to stir the stuff. You know it. Get a wooden spoon. You're also gonna need some butter. I don't use milk in mine. I don't know what you guys do, but I use butter in mine with the cheese. It's actually fire, so. And lastly, you're gonna wanna get a strainer so you can strain the stuff into, and a bowl and a fork to actually eat it after. So we're gonna put this to the side for now. But we got the strainer, the wooden spoon, the butter, and the mac and cheese. So, now we gotta actually wait for it to boil, so we're just gonna wait a second for that to boil. All right, guys. All right, the water is now boiling. So what you're gonna wanna do is obviously open the thing. You got the cheese right here, so you're gonna throw that. Oh shit, that went everywhere. All right, that's just some extras. I'll put those in after, off camera. But guys, the water's now, oh no, it's not actually boiling yet. It's close to boiling. You see the smoke coming off? That's a good sign. You can see some bubbles in there. It's actually gonna boil in about a second here. So we're gonna pick these up real quick. Alright, guys, I actually turned the lights on here, but it is now boiling. As you can see, it looks a lot better. It's actually freaking light in here. I was an idiot. But it is now boiling, okay? You're gonna wanna take all the mac and cheese that's in there, and you're just gonna pour that right in there. Look at that. Look at that stuff right there. I might have put a little too much water, but it's gonna sizzle like that. Oh, obviously, when you're boiling the water, forgot to tell you guys, you're gonna have that at 7. You can see it's around 7, but you're gonna wanna turn it down to 6. When you actually put them in, just to get a slower cooking. You don't want them to burn or anything. So yeah, so after this, as soon as you put them in, you're gonna want to stir them so none actually gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so you're gonna want to stir it. I put a little too much water in there. You can't really see them, so I'm actually gonna dump some of this water out real quick. All right, I dumped some of the water out, guys. You can now see them in there a little bit better. So you're just gonna, at first, you're gonna want to stir it. After that, you don't have to really stir it too much. Every once in a while, just make sure you keep an eye on it. And what you're gonna want to do, guys, I'm not gonna show this part, but you're gonna want to take one out, test, see how it is. They're gonna get a lot bigger than they are, but you're gonna want to test one out, see how they are, and then once they are actually done cooking, I will come back with you guys. Then they are actually done now. Make sure you obviously take this, turn it off, right? Turn off the burner. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your strainer in the sink. All right, this is gonna be hard to do with one hand, so you're gonna obviously take this. You gotta do this quick here. You're gonna pour this right in there. We're gonna try to get all of it in there, and on camera too. This is for you guys. Yeah, it's good shot, decent shot. Doesn't matter if there's a little left in there, because you're actually gonna put it back in here. What you're gonna do is put it on a burner that's actually not going. And you're gonna take it, because it's obviously drained out, and you're gonna put it right back in there, right? You're gonna put it in there, then you're gonna grab your butter, okay? I had a whole thing of butter before, but you're gonna take like a good slab, I guess. Hopefully no paper's in there. Oh God, it's on this thing. Put it in there, put the butter in there. Stir that around for a second, till it's all buttery, right? Stir it around for a little bit. Yeah, that should be good amount of butter right there. Stir it around for like, I don't know, where the hell's the butter? 10 seconds. Cause you just don't want the butter to burn. Then you're gonna have your cheese. Open your cheese packet right here. This is the Kraft mac and cheese. It looks disgusting at first, but you're just gonna sprinkle it in there right in the middle. Perfect. Right in the middle, throw us away. You want to stay clean. And then you're gonna start to stir, guys. You're gonna stir for a while. It's gonna take a few minutes. And guys, we are actually done stirring it, so it looks pretty good. I mean, on camera it doesn't look great. Maybe over here it looks a little better, but for me it looks good. I like mac and cheese. It looks pretty fired. So you're gonna want to put it in your bowl. This is gonna be pretty impossible one-handed, but I'm gonna try it. I mean, you can't really. You're just gonna put it in there. Oh, my fork's in there. Damn it. I eat mac and cheese with a fork. I don't know about you guys. Well, I've just always done that. So I'm gonna get it all in there. And you don't do it like this. You hold the freaking pan, but I gotta hold my phone. So hold on. All right, guys. The mac and cheese is now in the bowl. I scooped it from in there and put it in there. So now what we're gonna do? Hopefully this bowl isn't really that hot. No, it's not that hot. Oh, I gotta grab my water. I'll just grab that after. What you guys are gonna do? Obviously, take your mac and cheese. That's my dog right there. I'm not gonna show you guys how to eat it, but this is my house. I have a house tour channel. You know the vibe. You're gonna open up freaking YouTube, and we got a lot of stuff on there, but you're gonna watch this guy right here, Ninga. Or you can just go with the classic FaZe Rug. So, like, FaZe Rug is absolutely insane. One of my favorite YouTubers. So, yeah. It's pretty much been your boy Ninga. I don't know how this outro is gonna look because the camera's the other way, but it's been your boy Ninga. That's how you guys make mac and cheese. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. Let me know in the comments if you got me to make more tutorials on cooking or any other things like that, or me eating food. Yeah, see you guys with another video soon. Peace. Haters. Nowadays, I'm not fucking with these haters. Told that little bitch, see you later. Can't even count all the times I was hated. I stayed on my grind while you were getting faded.